Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning, sir. I'm going to explain about section 2, that is configuring the procedure or setting in the kit control and microscope. Okay, this is software of kit control. So before that, we can look at the function from this kit control. Okay, they have source kit control. Is the function of source control is to increase the percentage of the graph and also to increase the gain in the system. The second primary side of transformer progress. So the first function is show source voltage, show source current, show background noise BM1 and BM2 for AC. So the third is system monitoring of secondary side of the transformer with 8 slots. So the first slot is AC BM1, that is RMS and RMS1. The second is AC BM2 peak or cert 2 of RMS2. So the third slot is DC BM3, so that measurement 3. Fourth is DC BM4, that is measurement 4. Fifth is DC BM5, that is to be measurement 5. And the last slot is DC BM6, that is measurement 6. So the point of the frequency converter related to the slot in the system. So the last is alarm. The function of alarm system is indicate red color, means not be able to do any injection and not allowed to do any injection. So number 2 is show condition when problem exists, and the last function is press red button, that is reset. Okay, after that we need to go to setup, FC setup, and FC setup we no need to add any number or value.
Okay, so next we should apply a proper setting at the customer setup. So same like previous lab 2. This lab also will provide manufacturing data for the divider ratio or multiple multiplication factor for the divider, which is 20,414.4 for the DC and 90,497.4. This is for AC. Now we need to open the custom setup to put the divider ratio. So the first and second slot is same like the previous lab, which is VM1, while we need to add the divider ratio for the DC at the fifth slot, which is VM3. Okay, so next for the picoscope setting, we need to click the channel A and B tab to make sure that the both of it activate. So in this case, channel A is for AC and channel B is for DC. At the waveform, we need to look at the channel B because we want to look at the DC output voltage. Also for the value, don't forget to choose DC, and also for the coupling, we need to choose DC coupling since we are interested for DC. Okay, next for the beginning, it's good to use auto range, so then we can see the step or the change on how it changed from one range to another range. And after all this setup is done, the system is ready to run. So if there is some problem, we need to press the reset button before we run it again. So by providing this function, the AC to DC section of picoscope enable to analyze and manipulate AC and DC signals, extract relevant information and perform the measurements. So that's all from me. Thank you.